The truth about building your first PC. Welcome to our Ultimate PC Building Guide, where we'll take you step by step through the process. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned builder, this guide is for you. First, let's talk about why building your own PC is advantageous. Customization, cost efficiency, and performance boost are just a few perks. Before diving in, make sure you have all the necessary components and tools. A well-organized workspace will make the process much smoother. Start with the case. It's the skeleton of your PC, housing all your components. Choose one that fits your style and needs. Next, let's install the motherboard. Place it carefully inside the case, aligning it with the standoff screws, and secure it tightly. Now, it's time for the CPU. This is the brain of your PC. Gently place it into the socket and lock it in place with the retention arm. Don't forget the thermal paste before installing the CPU cooler. This ensures optimal heat dissipation. Secure the cooler according to the manufacturer's instructions. Memory installation is straightforward. Align the RAM sticks with the slots on the motherboard and push them in until they click into place. Your graphics card, vital for gaming or video editing, comes next. Insert it into the PCIe slot and secure it with screws. Install your storage drives, whether SSD or HDD. Connect them to the motherboard using the appropriate cables for power and data transfer. Power supply installation is crucial. Fit it into the designated area in the case, then connect the necessary power cables to your components. Double-check all your connections before powering on. Ensure everything is securely attached and no cables are obstructing airflow. Power on your PC and enter the BIOS. Here, you can configure your settings and ensure all components are recognized. Finally, install your operating system and drivers. Once done, your custom-built PC is ready to use. Enjoy your new machine.